Hi everyone, I'm Kuldeep and today I'll show you how easy it is to create a sales order using Copilot in Dynamics 365 Business Central. So let's get started. All you have to do is go on sales, click on sales order, and this will give you a list of all of your clients and the sales order that you've had in your business. Now you can just select one to open it and it will give you more details about your client and the sales order that they've made in the past. Now, let's just say that this client, Adatum Corporation, has sent you an email for more orders. So what you can do is you can either input the order manually here, or you can use Copilot to do it automatically. So how does this work? You see the Copilot icon here. You can just click on it and choose the first option, which is suggest sales lines, and it will open this small chat box where you can just copy and paste the email right here. So as you can see, I've copied the email that was sent to me by the client with the orders. And you can click on generate and Copilot will automatically take all the information about the sales order and put it in here with the correct quantity, the description, and the unit of measure. Now you can double check the sales order if everything is good. Then you can just click on insert. And as you can see, it will already add the new sales order here. And what's interesting is it also adds the unit price for each of the order and also the amount and so on. So everything has been done automatically with just one click. The next thing is that you can also add a sales order if you have a CSV or an Excel file. So you can use Copilot again. You click on Copilot and this time you choose a second option, which is a suggest sales lines from a file, and it will prompt you to upload or choose or browse your files in your computer. So you can upload the CSV or the Excel file here, and Copilot will perform the same. It will take the sales order and it will arrange it with the proper quantity and the amount, and there you have it. This was just a short video to show you how to create a sales order using Copilot. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, if you have any question, to comment down below. Like this video, share it, and subscribe. See you next time.